Farmers are struggling to protect their cash crops as wind and rain pound the area. Almonds have already bloomed, making them susceptible to weather extremes.
CBS 13's Bollea continues our team coverage in Yolo County with more on how farmers, Drew, are working to save what they can.
Well, Tony and Christina, these crops are big business. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, so it's easy to see why, during all this wild weather, farmers are doing everything they can to save their crops.
We had 22 degrees the other morning.
For 57 years, Lyndall Schwartz has walked these orchards.
You tell if they're frozen or not. You can take a bud off.
Checking on his millions of buds.
And just break it open. There's a little almond.
His almond orchard is in full bloom, but has taken a beating from a wild few weeks of weather.
I lost 20 acres in one orchard.
A couple weeks ago, it was frost that claimed those 20 acres. It's about a $150,000 loss.
That's a good chunk of change, yeah.
He isn't the only farmer feeling the freeze. Almond growers across the state are having a tough time with wide variations in the weather.
Farming is not about extremes. You want things to be, more middle ground.
Franz Niederholzer is a tree crop advisor with UC Davis. He says the frost is one battle farmers stand a chance in fighting. They use irrigation water to hold the temperatures, but only to a point.
We can't tame Mother Nature. We can round the edges a bit.
There's little defense from excessive rain and high winds. Branches like these are the result of wind damage, but that's not the worst of it. This morning, 42-mile-an-hour winds knocked over more than 30 trees. Another setback during a difficult winter. Schwartz says almonds take time, money, and patience to grow. The weather is just another part of the farmer's way of life.
Frost you can work with, but rain and wind you can't. That's Mother Nature.
And back out here live, conditions are fairly calm at the moment, but as we heard Dave tell us, this isn't the end of it. We're expecting more rain and more wind. And if that does continue, if the bad weather does continue, we could be looking at potentially higher prices for the almond crop later this year.
So many people keeping an eye on this one. Drew Bollea live in Yolo County. Drew, thank you.